greatness in my blood. I go down, put on where I'm from. Got a girl out here in LA, got some greatness in my blood. Need no love, need that cash. I'll surpass everyone that came up fast. That's longevity, bet your girl remember me. I might take up from you, sorry homie, that's my tendencies. Feel that, catch that vibe, that's real rap. Brand new shit, just peel back, get high homie, just don't relapse. Shorty want it, nothing changed, yeah. Say my name, invest that shit, make it pay, yeah, that's the way. I'm the wave, do not tell me no. Pack my bags for LA, baby, welcome to the coast. Someone tell my ex, this the life I chose. Boy got on this shit, now I'm finally in my mode. I go down, put on where I'm from. Got a girl out here in LA, got some greatness in my blood. I go down,
yeah.
Put on where I'm from.
Yeah.
Got a girl out here in LA, got some greatness in my blood.
Yo, can't y'all tell I'm one of the greats? Y'all letting me in, what a mistake. Yeah, and that ain't a crib, that's an estate. What can I say? I like to do big things, so I need space. Food for thought, grab a plate, cold as ice, grab some steaks. I do shots, I don't chase. I go dumb, I go ape. One of a kind, can't replace. On the camera, can't mistake. I go fast, but I don't race. I like grass without no stakes. I like cash without no case, cause where I crash, it ain't so safe. I like bass without no trap. I like my trap without no bass. Wait, I think I'm on the verge of something special. And if you hate, it's only cause I let you.
I go down, put on where I'm from. Got a girl out here in LA, got some greatness in my blood. I go down, put on where I'm from. Got a girl out here in LA, got some greatness in my blood.